Hello friends, my name is Yogesh Bali. Today we will discuss this new topic method references in Java 8. To understand this topic, first let's see this example. In this example, we are having a functional interface which is having only one abstract method. As the definition says, functional interface contains only one abstract method. So this interface is my functional interface. Here, what I am doing is I am providing the body of this abstract method. What I want actually is the body of this abstract method should call another method, should refer to another method. Okay, so as you can see, I have a implementation class which is test impl, which is implementing my this interface, providing body to my this abstract method display. And what this body is doing, it is just referring to another method, which is print hello. It is not doing anything of itself, it is just referring to another method. Okay, so before Java 8, if we have a situation where we want the implementation of our abstract method to just refer to another method, we need to write this much line of code. Okay, but as we are now updated to Java 8, so let's try to transform this syntax to Java 8. So when talking about Java 8, first we will convert it to lambda expressions and see that how much lines of code we will reduce. To write it in lambda expression, what I will do, I will create a reference variable of this interface and assign this entire body to this reference variable, and remove this access modifier, return type and function name, and provide a bracket between these function brackets. So this is my lambda expression ready, and when I call this display method, it will execute, and here it will print the statement that is written in this method. Okay, so here also again, let me repeat what we are doing. We are having a functional interface which is having a abstract method. We are expecting that our this implementation of this abstract method should do nothing of its own, it just need to refer to another method. Like here, the implementation of this display is referring to another method, print hello. It is calling just another method, print hello. So we did the same using lambda expressions. So as we use the lambda expressions, so that we know that now we not need this implementing class. With lambda expressions, our code is reduced, and we achieved the same goal by using this much lines of code. Now we not require any class to implement our interface. So we have seen the lines of code are reduced. But with Java 8, we have another topic which is method references. It says in similar situation where you want the body of your abstract method to refer to just another method. I am repeating, a situation where you want your abstract method's body to just call another method. We can do we can achieve this by more or less lines of code. How? Let me show you. So by using method reference operator, what we need to do, we will create the reference of our interface, and here what we will do, we will first create the object of a class whose method we want to call. Okay, let me remove this lambda expression too, because now this is also not required. We are writing more concise code. So what I did, I first created the object of my utility class whose method I will call. So, and the syntax says that just use the object, use method reference operator, and use the function name. This will call, this will this will refer my display methods implementation to call this print hello. So when I call this display method, it is actually referring to this print hello. So it is calling print hello, so from print hello this line will get printed, as you can see in the output. So lines of code are more reduced. If I remove these comments, you can see that how shorter this program becomes by using method reference operator of Java 8. So the syntax of method reference operator says here, for non-static method you will create a object and assign this object to your reference of your interface and use this uh, method reference operator double colon and abstract uh, call your method which you wants to refer. Important thing to learn here is that here there is no function bracket and no arguments. About arguments I will discuss later, that how to pass. Another type of method references that are available in Java 8 is in this example. In this example, we are having a print hello static method, whereas in previous example, we are having a non-static method which we want to refer. But here we are having a static method. So if I want the implementation to call to refer to this static method in Java 8, the implementation is very easy. You just need to first write the class name whose static method you want to refer, then you need to use method reference operator and just call the static method. Again, rule is same, that you need not to use function bracket and also need not to pass the arguments. And when I call this object to display, it will call my static method. So I provide a body of my abstract method, and I provided the body to this abstract method display. I provided in the body that it should it should call my static method. One more type of method reference operator is, is this is we can see in this example. Here in this example, what we want that our abstract method should call or invoke the constructor. I'm repeating, here in this example we are having a requirement that the abstract method of our functional interface, when we provide the body to that abstract method, we want that the constructor get invoked of a class. So if we want to achieve this before Java 8, what I am saying is we want a implementing class of this interface. And here when we provide the implementation of this display, what we just want that my constructor get invoked, this thing. So whenever I create the implementation of this abstract method, what I want that just it calls my constructor. So with Java 8 we need not to create this implementing class, we can reduce it by using this and reference variable of our uh, interface and assigning it class name colon new, and this will invoke our constructor. This will call our constructor, so lines of code is again reduced, as you can see. With Java 8 with method references, we seen three examples. One is calling a non-static method, another is calling a static method, another is calling a constructor in implementation of our abstract method of functional interface. Let me know if you have any question in comments and I'm happy to reply. Thank you.